Hello everyone. Welcome to BYK Book Summary. I am Amin. Here we decode the aspiring journey, mental warfare, and empire building life lesson of the world's greatest legend. Today topics and their biggest secret are right on your screen. Let's dive in with my AI co-host.
In March 2018, Mohammad Shami was hit with a domestic violence FIR, an investigation for match fixing, and a wave of online vitriol demanding that he leave his own country. Then, jump to November 15, 2023. Standing before 66,000 screaming fans at Wankhede Stadium, he takes 7 wickets for 57 runs in a World Cup semi-final. A public stripping of identity, coupled with 3 distinct periods of suicidal ideation, typically ends a professional career. The psychological weight alone usually erodes an athlete's physical mechanics. This raises a question of technical endurance. How did this man maintain and even sharpen a world-class bowling action while his personal life was in total freefall? Shami's journey demonstrates how an obsession with technical precision can serve as the ultimate survival mechanism during a personal collapse. This technical foundation started in Sahaspur, a small farming village in Uttar Pradesh. Shami's family had no wealth or connections to elite academies. They only had a shared dream and a patch of dirt. Because brand new cricket balls were too expensive, Shami spent his childhood bowling thousands of overs with old, heavily degraded leather balls. This animation explains why that constraint was his greatest advantage. An old cricket ball lacks a shiny surface, so it won't swing naturally in the air. To get any movement, a bowler must develop an absolutely perfect upright seam, slicing through wind resistance at an exact angle to generate deviation off the pitch. Shami locked this difficult mechanic into his muscle memory through thousands of repetitions. When the Uttar Pradesh under-19 team rejected him, he didn't change his action. He took that established technique and traveled to Kolkata alone to prove it worked. In Kolkata, that exact vertical seam position caught the attention of Saurav Ganguly. The Indian legend recognized that Shami had mastered a level of control that most professionals struggle to maintain. Poverty forced a level of mechanical precision that wealth and elite coaching rarely produce. By 2018, that precision was all he had left. When his BCCI contract was frozen and his private life became a media circus, his public identity was essentially erased. Shami later recounted that during this period of isolation, he contemplated suicide 3 separate times. He was eventually saved by 2 things: the constant presence of his mother and brother, and a clean chit from the BCCI's anti-corruption unit that cleared his name. Shami responded by stripping away everything except the ball and the pitch. He muted the external noise, focusing entirely on the technical mechanics he had built as a child. When an athlete survives the public destruction of their reputation, they often return with a dangerous stillness. There is no longer an ego to protect. Only the craft remains. This mental clarity met his childhood technique at the 2023 ICC World Cup. Despite missing the first 4 matches, Shami entered the tournament and immediately began a period of statistical dominance. In the semi-final against New Zealand, he dismantled the opposition lineup, taking 7 wickets for just 57 runs. This pitch map shows his childhood training in action. Because his seam presentation was mathematically consistent, the ball pitched on the thread and deviated sharply. The batsman couldn't predict the movement because the release was identical every time. The data shows the result. He became the fastest bowler to reach 50 World Cup wickets in the 48-year history of the tournament. Taking 24 wickets in a single World Cup was the ultimate vindication for a man who used his technical craft to outlast a personal crisis. The final test of this system came immediately after the World Cup. A severe ankle injury required surgery, forcing Shami into a 14-month exile from the game. The recovery was raw. Shami admitted feeling like a child learning to walk again when taking his first steps 60 days after surgery. He finally returned in February 2025 at the Champions Trophy in Dubai. The world was watching to see if his body, or his nerve, had finally degraded. He took a match-winning 5-wicket haul against Bangladesh. His pace and his seam control remained exactly where they were before the surgery. This performance suggests that Shami's excellence is a repeatable result of his technical preparation. Even after a year of physical decay, the mechanics he built as a child remained intact. Shami's journey provides a specific case study in how to survive life's most brutal rejections and accusations. He demonstrated that when the world attacks your character, the most reliable defense is an obsessive focus on your internal technique. Reflect on the moments you felt you had reached a breaking point. Shami's career suggests that those moments are not the end, but the point where your preparation is actually tested. Champions are defined by their ability to outlast the storms that dismantle everyone else. Stay on the crease, because the swing will eventually come.
So, friends, that was the complete breakdown. Make sure to take a screenshot of this growth gift, this infographic, so this lesson stay with you. If you want to learn from legends every single day, join our community. I am Amin. Always remember, read more, think deeper. Let me know in the comments who we should cover next. See you in next episode.